Recently, a leaked Google document has been creating quite a stir in the AI world. This document, written by a Google engineer, talks about the state of AI and where Google and OpenAI stand in terms of their AI progress. The title of the document itself, "We have no moat and neither does OpenAI," pretty much gives away its central argument. The document starts by discussing how Google used to be the #1 AI company, but then OpenAI came along and took the lead with their ChatGPT and other software. It's pretty clear that Google's been feeling the pressure, constantly looking over their shoulder at OpenAI's progress. But get this, the engineer actually says that neither Google nor OpenAI is set up to win this whole AI arms race thing. The leaked document reveals an uncomfortable truth. While Google and OpenAI have been busy squabbling, a third faction has been quietly surpassing them both. Can you guess who? It's none other than the open source community. The Google engineer argues that open source AI models are lapping Google and OpenAI, solving major problems that the tech giants are still struggling with. What's more, the document claims that these open source models are faster, more customizable, more private, and pound for pound more capable than their counterparts from Google and OpenAI. This part is quite a blow to Google. The engineer claims they have no secret sauce. In other words, they don't have any unique advantage that protects them from being outperformed by others. The AI models developed by the open source community can do 90% of what ChatGPT does, and they're catching up fast. The document even goes so far as to say that Google's best hope is to learn from and collaborate with the open source community, rather than trying to compete with it. I mean, it's pretty clear that the engineer doesn't have much faith in Google's current approach to AI. One of the reasons open source models are making such rapid progress is that they have the power of the global community behind them. As soon as an AI model is released to the public, people from all over the world start working on it and sharing their findings. This leads to incredibly fast innovation, which just isn't possible in a closed environment like Google or OpenAI. The leaked document highlights how Meta's, formerly Facebook AI model Llama, was leaked to the public, resulting in a flurry of new developments and improvements. In fact, the document suggests that Meta might be the real winner in all of this, as they've effectively garnered an entire planet's worth of free labor, with most open-source innovation happening on top of their architecture. The engineer is pretty critical of both Google and OpenAI, arguing that their attempts to maintain tight control over their AI models are futile. The document states that we cannot hope to both drive innovation and control it, suggesting that both companies need to change their stance if they want to stay competitive in the AI race. It's pretty clear that the engineer believes open-source alternatives will eventually eclipse both Google and OpenAI. In a world where no one has a moat, the only way to stay ahead is to embrace the open-source community and learn from them. The document even suggests that Google has a chance to make the first move by becoming more open and collaborative before OpenAI does. So the Google engineers' revelations are basically a wake-up call for the tech giants, right? They need to realize that the good old days of hoarding AI knowledge and progress are long gone. The open source community has shown us that when people collaborate, innovation goes through the roof. It's not just about having a tiny edge in quality, it's about embracing the spirit of openness and collaboration that fuels creativity and progress. Google and OpenAI need to take a long, hard look at their current strategies and figure out how they can adapt to this new landscape. They need to understand that no amount of secrecy or control will allow them to stay ahead. The AI arms race isn't just about creating the most powerful AI models. It's about nurturing a vibrant ecosystem where innovation thrives. What if, instead of viewing the open source community as a threat, Google and OpenAI started seeing it as an opportunity for mutual growth and learning? By sharing their knowledge, resources, and expertise, they can benefit from the ingenuity and creativity of the global AI community. In return, the open source community can learn from the experiences and insights of these tech giants. By working together, they can push the boundaries of AI even further, making groundbreaking discoveries that can benefit everyone. You know, change can be scary, especially for big companies like Google and OpenAI. But sometimes recognizing when it's time to change course and learn from past mistakes can be the key to staying relevant and successful. This leaked document might just be the catalyst these companies need to reconsider their approach to AI development. Instead of clinging to old ways, they could choose to embrace the power of collaboration and join forces with the open source community. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest AI and tech stuff we'll be discussing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.